how to add mixed numbers. So to add mixed numbers, all we have to do is add the whole number and then add the fraction. So for example, number 1, 2 and 3 over 7 plus 1 and 5 over 7. So yung mixed numbers natin ay similar fractions. So all we have to do is directly add the numerators and add the whole number since the denominators are both 7. So similar fractions na. Okay, so therefore the answer to this is 2 and 3 over 7 plus 1 and 5 over 7. So that is equal to, add the whole number. So that is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. And then copy the common denominator, 7. And then just add the numerators. So 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. So now our answer is mixed number with improper fraction. So we need to convert the 8 over 7 to mixed number. Okay, so let's convert this 8 over 7. So just write 3 and then plus, convert 8 over 7 in mixed number. So 8 divided by 7, that is equal to 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract, we have 1. So 8 over 7 is equivalent to 1 and then 1 over the divisor 7. So simplify this, 3 plus 1 over 7. So this is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Just copy 1 over 7. So the answer is 4 and 1 over 7. Okay, so let's try number 2. So for the next example, our given mixed numbers are dissimilar. So the denominators are 3 and 8. So we can use the butterfly technique for this example because the LCD of 3 and 8 is the product, 3 times 8, 24. So it's better if we will use the butterfly technique to this. So let's solve this. So we can add the whole numbers 5 and 2. So we have, so just add the whole numbers 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. And then I will rewrite the fractions. We have 2 over 3 plus 5 over 8. And then we can use the butterfly technique to this. So this is equal to 7 plus, so let's use the butterfly technique. So we cross multiply 2 times 8. So that is equal to 16. Copy the sign plus. And then we have 3 times 5. That is equal to 15. All over the product of the denominators 3 times 8. That is equal to 24. So therefore we have 7. Then over 24, add the numerator 16 plus 15, that is equal to 31. Again, the fraction is improper, so we need to convert this to mixed number. Okay, so therefore we have 7 plus, convert this, so we have 31 divided by 24, that is equal to 1. 1 times 24 is 24. Subtract, we have 7. So 31 over 24 is equal to 1 and 7 over 24. So just add the whole number 7 plus 1. So therefore, the final answer is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Just copy 7 over 24. Okay, so next number 3. For number 3, we can use the butterfly technique. But if we use butterfly technique, we will reduce it to lowest term because 10 and 4, it has common factor, 10 and 4. So common factor of 2. So therefore, I will use, just convert this to similar fractions. So just find the LCD para mas maliit yung numbers na makuha natin. So 10 and 4, ang LCD niyan, magsimula tayo sa multiples ng 10. 10 divided by 4, hindi eksakto. So, yung next na multiple ng 10 is 20. 20 can divide 4. So, therefore, we convert this to a denominator of 20. So, let's convert first. So, we have 3. Convert 7 over 10 to a denominator of 20 plus 2. So, just copy this. And then, the denominator is 20. So, let's solve the numerator. 20 divided by 10, that is equal to 2. And then multiply the numerator, 2 times 7, so that's equal to 14. So next, 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. Multiply the numerator, 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. Okay, so now let's add the whole numbers. 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Just copy the common denominator of 20. Add the numerators, 14 plus 15, that is equal to 29. And then 29 over 20 is improper fraction, so we can convert 29 over 20 to mixed number. So just divide. 29 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract, the remainder is 9. So therefore, 29 over 20 is equal to 1 and 9 over 20. So just add the whole number. So therefore, the final answer to number 3 is 5 plus 1. So we have 6 and 9 over 20. Okay, so next, number 4. Again, for number 4, I will just use the LCD because if we use the butterfly technique, lalaki masyado yung numbers. 8 times 25, so medyo malaki na. That's 200. And then 10 times 10, so we have 100. So may mas madaling way sa number 4. Check nyo muna, pwedeng i-lowest term pala ito. So 8 over 10, pwedeng i-lowest term. And then 10 over 25, pwede ring i-lowest term. So 8 and 10, pwede nating i-divide both by 2. Divide both by 2. And then 10 over 25, we can divide this both by 5. Okay, so reduce first to lowest term. So 7 and 8 tenths will become 7, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Plus, just copy the 3. And then 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, so naging similar fractions na. Since they are now similar fractions, so just add the whole number. 7 plus 3 is 10. Copy the common denominator of 5. Add the whole number, the numerators, 4 plus 2, that is 6. So again, convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So therefore, we have 10 plus 6 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, we have remainder of 1. So therefore, 6 over 5 is equal to 1 and 1/5. Okay, so just add 10 plus 1, 1 and 1/5 equals 11 and 1/5. Okay, so itry nyo naman ang number 5. I-comment nyo ang inyong sagot.